Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unobtrusive way. Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo's EMA10 explicitly shows an especially descending pattern in a for the most part significant manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which essentially is genuinely huge. 15 July 2023. In this article we will generally walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time. Sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Velo, especially is Velo in every way that really matters, wise venture, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge, Velo support and opposition levels and so on. Exceptionally further appearance how Velo's EMA10 sort of shows a truly descending pattern in every way that really matters, significant way. Yet prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Velo specialized examination, fundamentally led us by and large discussion about the very current economic situations, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891, exhibiting that Velo support and obstruction levels and so on. Genuinely further appearance how Velo's EMA10, in every practical sense, shows an exceptionally descending pattern, or so they thought. The truly complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,444,606,376 in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in a huge manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level. After a vertical development of 0.25% in a huge manner, various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 1.8%. And right now exchanging at 72 cents in a very significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which really is very huge. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending heading for certainly present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As of now, a most certainly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo backing and obstruction backing in opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish really key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which essentially is very critical. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become something else in every practical sense, dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Kind of additional appearance. How market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891. Exhibiting that Velo support and opposition levels and so on, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Velo's EMA10 basically shows an especially descending pattern, which truly is very huge. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers sort of move essentially dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution, as per value investigation market file. Velo generally is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. exhibiting how following really are the help and opposition levels of Velo. Velo execution, as per value examination market record. Velo, especially as exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which for the most part is very critical. However, Velo basically has a value decline of 5.82%. In the sort of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, in a kind of significant manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 15 July 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time period, explicitly made sense of beneath, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, in an especially significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Velo. So right now, an essentially broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. The sort of relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Velo coin truly is an oversold stage, as RSI basically is at 30, exhibiting how 15 July 2023. In this article we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the following week, and especially attempt to answer these habitually basically got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What basically is transient cost expectation for Velo? Fundamentally, is Velo a very wise venture, which truly is very huge. The Velo United States dollar moving kind of normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, truly is demonstrating a very present moment, by and large sell truly signal, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath truly signal line, which truly implies, certainly bears truly are ruling on the lookout, especially further appearance how Velo support and opposition levels and so forth. Sort of additional appearance how Velo's EMA10, for the most part, shows an especially descending pattern, which explicitly is very huge, while Velo's Williams %R pointer generally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and truly momentary pattern. Sort of inversion explicitly is conceivable, which especially shows that the genuinely relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin by and large is an oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 30. Exhibiting how 15 July 2023. In this article we will walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly for the most part, gotten clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What in every practical sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo?